Hello friends, this is Vivek Sharma, Head of the Department Information Technology. Today I am here to deliver a lecture in C++ on a topic classes and object. A class declaration defines a new data type that links data and code. Second point that is very important regarding to class, this new type is then used to declare object of that a particular class. Thus, we can say class is a logical view and object is a physical existence. In other words, we can say object is an instance of a class. So, we can daily see real life example of class like fruit. Fruit is a class and mango, banana, pineapples are examples of class. Now, we discuss syntax of class. Class is a keyword in C++ programming language and class name. Class name is always user defined. Then we use private data members and functions, access specifiers, data and functions, and last one object list. In C++, we have three types of access specifier: private, public and protected. First we discuss private. If we declare data members and members function in a class private, then the data members will be used inside the class. That is, we cannot use these members outside the class. Second one, if we use public access specifier, in case of public, we can use data members and member variables to outside that class. And last one, protected. Protected access specifier is generally used in case of inheritance. So, there are three different access specifier. So, we can use all three access specifier or any one of the access specifier according to user's requirement. Now, we are taking example of class. In this given case, class my class is the keyword as we discussed earlier and my class is the name of class. Here we are using access specifier public. I, j, k are three data members, access specifier. So, by using public access specifier, we can use I, j, k outside the class and I, j, k are called data members. Every class is terminated with the help of semicolon. Every program in C++ always start in main function. Now, here first we create object of that class, my class AV. Here A and B are two objects. A and B. Actually, object is created by the constructor. Constructor is a special member functions a dot I. So, we store 100 to member variable I. Every object has separate instance of data members, that is A has separate I, j and k variables. Similarly, we also has I, j and k members. We are mentioning here a dot I assignment 100. Now, we are storing 100 to I variable of a object. Now, 100 will be stored to I. A dot I assignment 4. Now, we are storing 4 to jth variable. A dot I multiply a dot j, that is 100 multiply 4 and value will be stored to a of k. Now, value of a of k is 400. Now, we are storing 10 to kth variable of b object. So, value of b of k is 10. Now, we are printing a of k space and b of k. The value of kth element of a object is 400 and value of v k is now 10. Return 0, we are using return 0. Return 0 is proper termination of program. So, this is a very simple program of C++ in which we are using data members, objects and class. Now, we take second example. In this second example, we are creating another class, my class. So, my class is the class name. We are declaring A and V. So, A and V are data members. We are not using any access specifier here. So, by default data members which of a class are automatically private if we not declare it. So, A and V are data members. Now, we are using access specifier public. Init, the function name is init. Second, another function we are using here, show function, which are displaying value of A and B. Every program, as we discussed earlier, every program in C++ always begins from main function. Here we are creating object, that is X. And we are calling init function by using object name, then dot operator, x dot init, and we are passing values 10 and 20. So, we are every time in C++ we call a function or member function by using object name and dot operator. Then control goes here and value of 10 and 20 passes to I and j. Now, this value is stored to A and V, because A and V are data members of my class. If we represent graphically, X is the object and every object contain all data members of a class, yani X has A and B. The value of A is now 10 and value of B is 20 by calling init function. Now, we call show function by using object X, x dot show, then control goes to show function, and here we are printing A space V. So, it print value 10 and 20. Return 0 is the proper termination of a program. So, this is another very simple program of C++ in which we are using data members, member functions. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel grukpo.com. Thank you.